He's gone. Christopher. Why, Piglet, whatever are you doing? Up there.
I'm doing just what Christopher Robin said I should do. I'm going to look my fear of heights right in the face and conquer it. That is, if it doesn't conquer me first. Christopher Robin!
Are you looking for him too? Hiya, Pooh. What's up? Hello, Tigger. Piglet is up.
Help!
Oh, relax, Piglet, old pal. There's no difference between plunging 10,000 feet to the jagged rocks below and tumbling out of bed.
Oh, really?
Why, sure. Except for the splat at the end that practically fell.
Christopher Robin!
Clutched in the throes of the terror, eh? Well, I guess I just better bounce up there and get him down. Stand back. This is gonna take a world's record bounce. What's the matter with you? Being a second-rate bouncer is not what Tiggers like best.
It doesn't matter if you think you're not ripe. This is Rabbit's garden, and Rabbit does his harvesting by the book. As it clearly says in the official almanac, today is the first day of fall, following the last day of summer. Harvest Day. Any questions? Yes, the rutabaga in the back row. Hello, what? Hello, Robert.
Not much of a house. Just right for not much of a donkey. Easy come, easy go.
Excuse me, Rabbit. But would you happen to have a Christopher Robin about you?
No, I haven't seen him.
Mother, he isn't where he should be. And wasn't where we were. And seems not to be anywhere where you can tell me whose honey this is.
Well, it isn't mine, and I don't have time. It's harvest day. Zazu in the book. I have carrots to cut, pumpkins to pick, peas to burn.
Well, of course it's mine. It's got my name scribbled all over it. T-I-double-G. Honey? Yuck. Please. Tigers do not like honey.
It isn't